What's up friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to write C++ program that asks user to enter the age and check whether the user is eligible to vote or not based on the number of his or her ages. This is a practical exercise question number 14. Now also in this program we are going to use if-else statement, and first of all we have to make a variable declaration. Here our variable is number of ages. Can now int ages like this, right? Yeah, like this. Our variable now is the ages, right? Then we have to ask user to enter his or her ages by out enter ages, right? Enter ages like this, then end line, right? Then we have also to read ages from the user like this, right? Then after get these ages, you can now check whether the user is eligible to vote or not. When eligible will be able to vote is when his or her age is greater or equal to 18. Otherwise, the user is not eligible to vote. That's why here we are going to write if ages, right, greater or equal to 18, right, like this. In this case, our user is able to vote. Say out you are eligible to vote, right? You are eligible to vote, right? Then end line like this. Otherwise, our user is not eligible to vote because his or her age is not allowed to be participate in this action of voting. That's why else we are going to use else out you are not eligible to vote, right? To vote like this, then end line here. Please, this is a simple program that reads the ages from the user and check whether those ages allow the user to vote or not based on the condition. So please, for any question or any idea, please not hesitate yourself, write your comment in the comment section. So let us make comparison of our program to check whether there is error or not. If there is error, we can correct it, or if not, we can learn our program. You see now comparison finished, there is no error. Now we can learn our program and check how it works, right? Yeah, let us enter the ages. We can now enter 55 like this, 55, right? You see now you are eligible to vote, right? Because age is greater 18, right? Now let us also enter the other ages which is below 18 and check how it show an output like 12 years, right? You are not eligible to vote because your age is under 18. So this is the simple program to check whether the user with some age is eligible or not eligible to vote. So please let me remind you to make, subscribe, like, share, and give us your comment in the comment section. So This is the end of today's presentation. See you soon and take care.